looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is.
Let me guys.
Just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Waiting's done and you find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you figure out. You put it off, yeah you did it. Life didn't fall apart with it. Couldn't miss what was intended. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave.
Kumele peer pressure imacho.
Yaphela. Hayi. Yaphela.
Setexim.
Silkole nare ngena phakathi.
Job inezinto pha ezantsi. Peer pressure ematsha ngivepha utsalile zanto sezantsi imnandi nje
Inemoringa nyana.
imnandi
Ndazitya ndo ka KFC.
azifani lezo ka-KFC. Hey guys, I am back. Ndibuyile from the mall. Ndiyenza grocery mini haul as banibonile on a previous clip. So now ndizopheka. My husband is craving umphokoqo. Because yesterday ebethe ucrave umphokoqo. Ndabe ke ndingenayo amasi nemilimili. So ndiye ndathenga ke ngoku i-White Star ne-Darling amasi nebisi. So ndizopheka zona ke ngoku. Solala sitye wona. Yeah guys. Kanti nixelele peer pressure yematcha. Imnandi shem. It's not bad. Nditrayile imnandi le yandithengileyo yi-Uji matcha. It's very nice shem because okon mane ndiyibona kwi-girlies mane ziyithenga. Qala ndizake ndiyitry. So today ndiye ndayitrya ndavisa nomyana nam uthi uzohambisa le nto inemoringa ndithi ndifuna apha ndifuna ukuyiva ndiyazi I think ndizobuyela back kuyo shem imnandi ivakala i-healthy I think ngizake njonge i-benefits zayo imoringa leya bazithini, and then ndizomane ndiyithenga oko. Good night guys, see you tomorrow. Say hey guys, I hope you guys are still good. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a new vlog guys. I'm opening up a new vlog and today it's a Friday. Happy Friday. And ndizonibulisa sekulate ke guys because okobe busy emini can't ukwazi vlogger. So yeah guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to become part of the family. And for those who don't know me, my name is Zake. Welcome to my channel guys. To my returning subbies, welcome back my day ones, welcome back my dolls. Thank you for your support and love, I really appreciate. And if you are new here and you don't know what we are up to in this channel we are doing a daily lifestyle in a form of vlogs. I'm just documenting my life. It's a raw, unfiltered content. Please, if you like this content, consider subscribing, comment, and like my videos. And please don't forget to subscribe. Guys. Oh, free. I'll battle next for subscribe. Just click on the subscribe button. It's free. Thank you so much for the support on the previous vlog. You guys show. The time now is 8:10 kusebusuku guys. I've just finished cooking supper. I'm gonna dish out now for my husband. Guys, see you tomorrow. If ikona into interesting, I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. Then if not, then I'm not going to vlog. So yeah, guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on it. Twist my fingers up on a bang on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on it.
Hey guys, here is my feed of the day.
Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Waiting's done and you find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you figure out. You put it off, yeah you did it. Life didn't fall apart with it. Couldn't miss what was intended. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave, call it in on your face.
Good morning, Maleni guys. I hope you guys are still good. It's another day, and today it's a Sunday. Happy Sunday. It's raining again, so I'm gonna make a soup.
But that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. The waiting's done and you find your home right here. A light goes off and it clicks, you figure out. You put it off, yeah you did it. Life didn't fall apart with it. Couldn't miss what was intended. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Call it in on your favors, call them in. Let the fears fly away, ride it out like a wave. Allow yourself some grace, you can have it, just like the wind. You were looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. Got stuck, you went looking for clues, but that just made you more confused. You just need to see how lovely, how lovely, how lovely it is for you. The waiting's done and you.
Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the vlog. Thank you so much. Ndiyayibona le video le vlog ihlangahlangene ayidibenanga but benzama indlela zonke udibanisa footage but ke ndide nawina. So thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for supporting. Thank you guys. See you on the next video. Bye.